Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. Green Hands, aka Rambo Green Hands, and I just want to show you guys a quick bargain I got yesterday. I went to my local Wickes, which is in the UK. I don't think they're in America or anywhere else, but they're here. And I saw these because I went there and I wanted to purchase something else. I bought some manure and I came across these and I was like, you know what? It's as cheap as chips. It's 50p. Used to be £2.50, and I said I got to get them. I literally had to go through some of them and chose the best one that I thought that will survive. These ones here, these ones are marigold. They're French yellow, and these ones are some lobelia, and I think they're just fantastic for 50p to go on to give you so much more life and color in your garden. It's going to be beautiful. This one has a beautiful pink there. You got some reds down the bottom there, and you got some white. It's a bit of a mixture, and I think it's just a fantastic idea. And I advise everybody, if you're gardening, if you're doing anything, if you go past anywhere, have a look in this, you know, the sales section or the section of flowers that they're going to throw away. If you end up going to a garden center, have a look at some stuff, because sometimes you can get a bargain just looking at something. If something's damaged, you can speak to somebody that's at the tills or a manager and ask him, okay, it's a bit damaged, can I actually get it as a discount? So guys, have a look around where you are and look at them, because I'm going to pop these in and you guys are going to see that. And the best thing about this, I get some free trays. These trays are going to be used and I'm going to pop them back in with something else in them. We're going to grow some other items. So it's a win-win situation, guys. It's absolutely fantastic, and I'm really happy for them. I would have bought more, but a lot of them did not look like they're going to make it, so I had to look around and chose my best, and I did choose this one here and that one there. The other ones were looking terrible. So, but look at the rooting system. These are ready to go. Superb. I think I got a bargain, don't you? The first thing I'm going to do, guys, is that I have an old flower pot that I have here, but I haven't used for some time. But what the first thing I'm going to do is to add some more life to it by adding some fresh compost that will give it a lot of nourishment that is there, just adding to it. But I'm going to just root it up a little bit, get it a little bit stirred up and level it off, and get that fresh one put on there, and then we can get a planting. This is a little bit of an evening planting because right now it's off the 7. It's not too cold at the moment in the UK. And this is a multi-purpose version of the compost. So I'm gonna add so what it is, I want to do it in like a sort of a sequence. So I'm gonna have like, say, 2 marigold here, or 2 of each one. So I'm gonna try to get them out on 2 each. So first thing first, because I've wet them from yesterday, I'll try to push at the bottom of them and just slowly tilt it, but be extra careful. Sometimes the other one can fall out while you're doing it, and just using your hand gently, just open it up a little press down, and just cover that and bring it back to life. And the same goes for the other one that you're going to put in a very similar place. Just do the same thing. These ones are quite delicate plants, so you got to really, or should I say flowers, realistically, you got to be so delicate with them. Sometimes they can snap. So I'm going to have like a mixture of colors in this pot. Will bring a lot of life. Same goes for the marigold. that's a quick one for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope everybody's doing well in this crazy world we're having right now. So don't forget to look after yourself and the planet.